All right. Welcome again, people. Welcome again to MG Sports TV. I want to say, wish you all happy New Year officially. I do apologize if I didn't do it, but officially, I'm wishing you guys a happy New Year. So we start off the New Year with a bang, big news. Shamar Nicholson. Now, apparently, Galatasaray are heavily linked with Shamar Nicholson again. We have seen these links right through the summer. Remember, people, I was doing a lot of report on Galatasaray, Shamar Nicholson, Galatasaray throughout the summer. Last summer, that is, at the start of this new season. But now it is the window. The winter window is now open. So, people, before we get into that details, I would really appreciate it if you smash that like button. New Year, people. We don't want to bang on about smashing the like button, people. It's really important, people. I know you guys want to see the channel to grow. But if you want to see the channel grow, people, three things that grows channel. 3 ads, watching watching the video, and also smashing the like button. These are the 3 things that help the channel to grow. How it does so? Watching the ads, well, financially it helps the channel. You know, we're Jamaicans, we're not rich, but financially it helps the channel. 2, watching the video, it also shows that you are entertained with the video. And 3, hitting the like button shows that you actually like the content. And normally, I know most of you guys will actually share the video. So, those are the 3 things that helps the channel. Those are the 3 things that grows the channel massively. So, would appreciate it if you even contribute to those 3 things. Even one of those 3 things, people, would really appreciate it if you contribute to it. And yeah, I think 4. May I put 4? May I put share the video? Anyways, this is about Shamar Nicholson. And don't forget our sponsors, people. Sub Sports, New Year, new things, people. Big deal. We're looking forward to do great things this year, people. As you know, let's get back to it. Shamar, Boza, Nicholson. So far, Spartak Moscow. And you remember last summer, game time was a factor. We don't know what the situation was, but we know that he was heavily linked with Galatasaray in the summer, people. In the summer. No, but no. Moving to the January transfer window, the winter window, those links have been reignited. Now, Galatasaray are looking to move out. The striker name is Serovic. They're planning to move on from Serovic, and 4 strikers are tentatively looking to replace Serovic with one of 4 strikers: Memphis Depay, Moussa Dembele, Luis Suarez, and our very own Shamar Nicholson. Really, really interested, people. But they're looking for target strikers who can deliver up front. And we know Boza is one of those type of players. Now, this season so far, Shamar Nicholson in this the Premier League, he has registered 13 appearances, 3 goals, 1 assist. Not a lot in relation to returns, but you should know that he hasn't even started 50% of those games. A lot of bench appearances so I do think relatively it's okay. His market value, according to transfer market, is 7 million euros. 7 million euros, and his market value is significantly climbing. He's only 25. He's only 25. Tall frame, about 6'4". Physical specimen, quality striker, people. Now, will this deal go through? Not sure. Not sure it's going to go through. I'm not sure it's going to be the same situation like what happened in the summer. I'm really not sure. I do think it would be a good move for him. I do believe it would be a good move for him. But Spartak Moscow, big name club. But how often you see clubs going into those clubs, top clubs in Europe top leagues in Europe, or the top clubs in Europe would have scouted players from that club. Not a lot, but it do happen. Galatasaray, I think that's a benchmark there. It's not that frequent, but it's interesting. It's interesting. I do think that maybe Turkish league I'm not even sure. I won't even say that. I won't even say. But in regards to the move, I think it's actually another step up for Boza in a different league, contributing, providing goals like normal. I do think that it provide a different dynamics to the type of player that he is. Dominating another league would be good. He did play well last season, winning the Russian Cup and such forth. But I'm not sure what will happen. We're gonna keep our eyes tied on this deal, on this move, or on this connection between Shamar and Galatasaray, like what we did in the summer. I'm hopeful to see something come from this though. Really, really hopeful. Um, I do think that that's it. But so I won't really go any further. But that is the details that what we have at hand right now. That's what we have at hand. But for certainly they are really really interested in this player. Last season we saw them. Last summer we saw them. A lot of discussion surrounding Boza. A lot of Turkish media outlet reporting on Boza. A lot of them preferred would actually want Shamar Nicholson to be that player to come into the club. So if you even go on Twitter and look at Twitter and also the social medias for the club, you'll see that that is a player that the fans are really, really calling for to see come into the club. They know the type of player he is, and I would love to see it happen as well. Different league, show that he has variety, and I think so, it would have been a good move. But I'm not sure if it's gonna happen. It's just linked. I'm not even sure if there's any bid being submitted as yet. So that's what it says. That's what it's like at present moment. Anyways, people, more news, more updates coming up. As you know, MG Sports TV people, we're good, and please do contribute to the four things, people. The four things: like, share, add, and watch a video. It's not hard. Big up, people. MG Sports TV. We're out, people. Boom.